Haia, yn ddiweddar nes I fynychu Cynhadledd y Dysgwyr yn Friars Hall a nes I rili mwynhau'r profiad. Ges I siarad efo'r stiwdants o'r 3 campus gwahanol a ges I gyflwyno o blaen nhw hefyd, so oedd yn brofiad gwerth chweil. Y neges nes I gymryd oedd bod y stiwdants yn benderfynol I hebu parch tuag at eraill, ond parch tuag at ei hunan hefyd. A un o'r pethau nath o drosodd yn gry oedd bod stiwdants eisio ffordd cysylltu efo'r coleg yn anhysbys. So, I gyfathrebu wbeth sydd yn poeni nhw yn anhysbys. A o'n i'n meddwl bod o'n rili da hefyd bod y prif weithredwr a'r peneithiaid yna gafon nhw nodi hyn a nath nhw gymryd rhan yn y gweithgareddau gath I trefnu trwy'r diwrnod. Dwi'n meddwl nath nhw rili mwynhau a dwi'n meddwl nath y stiwdants mwynhau bod nhw yna hefyd. So, oedd o'n brofiad gwych. Diolch am mynychu.
We were recently at the Learning Conference in Coleg Manau at Bangor.
This was a really enjoyable experience for all student union presidents involved, and we would like to thank the class reps who attended.
Oedd myfyrwyr y 3 coleg wedi mynychu'r ganadledd, ac oedd o'n gyfle da I siarad efo nhw a clywed I barn nhw am beth sy'n mynd mlaen yn eu colega nhw. Ac oedd o'n dda iawn cael clywed adborth myfyrwyr am barch at hunan a barch at eraill.
So I attended the Learning Conference recently, and I thought it was a good opportunity to meet with other pupils from the different colleges and just get to know them. Especially during the conference when we were giving back input, it was good to see that other people had thought of things that I just had not considered at all, and that when we put all that kind of feedback together, it presented a bigger picture with lots of perspective, and I thought that was good.
I really enjoyed attending the Learning Conference. It was an opportunity to meet student representatives from all 3 colleges.
I personally enjoyed both tasks, but it was great to hear your views on respect, and those views are really valued. Thank you.